What is so special about Kriyas Yamsuf? Why is it that we make such a big deal of Kriyas Yamsuf that we actually say in davening the entire parasha of the Shira? It's not enough. Obviously, we have to remember Zaychel Yitzias Mitzrayim. We mentioned that. We should say, okay, V'yamsef lehem bukatu. 5 words. That's Zaychel Yitzias Mitzrayim. Zaychel Kriyas Yamsef. Why do we make such a big issue of this Kriyas Yamsef? What was so special about it? To understand that, let's look at Chazal. Chazal Mechilta Pash B'Shalach says, Ru'as Shevcha Layam, Mashal Irui, Yeshaya, Yechezkel. You saw more than Yeshaya Hanavi saw, and more than Yechezkel saw. Yeshaya Hanavi saw the Shirufim Oim de Mima Aloi, Shaish Kinafayim Liechad. Mamash saw Kaviyuchel the Maluchem, and they said, "V'yini Amos Asipim Mikol Akorai." The entire earth shook from hearing the call of the Maluchim saying, what did they say? It was amazing what Yeshaya saw. The Shev Chalayam saw more than Yeshaya. Yechezkel saw the entire chariot, the whole Merkava, all the Oifanim, and the Chayes HaKodesh. Right? And he heard Burach Kvod Hashem Mekoymo. So the whole Kedusha, basically, all of that, the Shevcha saw more on the Yam. What did the Shevcha see? To understand this, we have to go back to Paroi. We have to understand what happened over here. The Yidden left Mitzrayim. Paroi came running. Please, everybody knows the song. Paroi in his pajamas came running out in the middle of the night that the Yidden should leave Mitzrayim. And all of a sudden, a few days later, what? Mazo Susini. How did we do that? Why did we let the Yidden go? Okay, so Paroi had his thing. Mitzrayim itself, all the people in Mitzrayim had been busy saying, have you not seen that we're just losing? The entire Mitzrayim is just getting destroyed, annihilated, and now all of a sudden, he was able to take the entire nation with him, everybody to go chase the Yidden. Furthermore, he took 600 chariots, 600 horses and chariots. Where did he get them from, Zuktirasha? Weren't they killed by the David? Weren't they killed by the Buddha? It says no, because it says Ayura is Dvar Hashem, the Elchagoy. He took all of his livestock into the houses. And these Elchagoyim now gave their horses and their chariots to go chase the Yidden. Eilichagoy also lost his mind. What's going on here? I'm going to ask another question. Klal Yisrael said to the Eibishter, was looking over the Pusik over here. Klal Yisrael said, when Ipare Hekriv, Vayisi ben Yisrael Senayim, Vina Mitzrayim Nesay Achrayim, Vayiri Ma'oid. They were very scared. Vayitaki ben Yisrael Hashem, and they called out to Hashem. Vayomri al Moshe, they said to Moshe, Hamabli ein kvurim b'Mitzrayim l'kachtuni lovas b'midbar? Are there no graves in Mitzrayim? You had to take us out to kill us into the Midbar? Look, why did you take us out of Mitzrayim? He's not talking. Moshe Rabbeinu said, Al tirui, don't be afraid. You'll see the Yeshia of the Eibishter. You see the Mitzrayim today, you're never going to see them again. Hashem Yeluchem, Luchem, V'atem Tacharishin. The Eibishter will fight for you, and you just take it easy. Just be quiet. How were the Yidden so afraid? And what was the answer of Moshe Rabbeinu that Hashem Yeluchem, Luchem, V'atem Tacharishin? Isn't it the right thing to go daven? Why did he say Tacharishin? Hashem Yeluchem, Luchem, the Eibishter will fight for you. But why Tacharishin? Why should you be silent? You have a problem. Daven. That's what you're supposed to do. It's mitzvah esa deraisa. According to Ramban, the mitzvah esa deraisa of davening is every time they have ice tzura, you have to daven like it says batzar lechu. When you have tzar, when you have enkshaf, imitzuicha kol advurim va'ele ba'achres hayomim, and right, you'll daven to Hashem and so forth. All of these things. So what happened? Why did Hashem say not to daven? And Hashem also said, Ma titzakalai. Why are you davening? I think the answer is, this is the point. The answer is it was not a ice tzura. The Mitzrayim saw what they wanted to see, and they saw the Yidden in a tzura. The Rebbeinu Shalom made the world in this way. Every person sees what they want to see. They see where they want to go. If a person wants to go in a certain direction, they'll see many signs that tell them this is the right thing to do. But if a person opens up his eyes and says, I want to see the truth, I want to know the truth, open my eyes, give me das. Let me see what's real, what's true, not what I want to see, not what I plan to see, not what I thought I'm going to see. You'll see something entirely different. The Mitzrayim wanted to see that the Yidden are going to come back. Of course, they didn't, because they saw all these markets. But now they saw in the Vichem Haim Beuretz, they saw that the Yidden can't get Zechayitze. Oh, that's it. They saw it. Now let's go after them. The Yidden saw the Mitzrayim coming. They were scared. Aibishter said, Moshe Rabbeinu said, Al tirui. Don't be scared. You could also read it as Al tirui. Don't look. Look, Hashem. Look, then notice as Yeshua Hashem. How did you get to this point? The Eibishter took you till here. The Eibishter will continue taking you. Open your eyes and see Hashem, and then you will have no problems. You don't even have to daven now because you're not in an ice tzura. And that's the beauty. It's a shira. We're singing to Hashem. We're not davening. We're not crying. We're not in an ice tzura. We're singing to Hashem. That revelation was greater than the revelation that the Nevi'im had. They saw Hashem Kaviyuchel. What did they see? They saw that Hashem is taking care of everything, and I'm not an ice tzura at all. I get Shabbos.